Everyone, welcome to the ArcGIS course. So in today's lecture I will show you how to combine multiple map. I just upload my area bands. This is band number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but my area is not covered with only one raster map, so this one for this only the 7 band, and this one only for one band. I can choose one, but I insert all of them just to explain to you how to combine map, and you have the beautiful color when you combine them. All them here. So I use band 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to understand each band what is useful. So for example, band number 1, it is for coastal and for aerosol area. This is the wavelength from 0.43 0.45, and the blue, violet blue. Band 2 is give you the blue color, and it is a blue visible light, like is useful with water. And band 3 is a green, is useful for vegetation. And band 4, it is red visible light, vegetation and discrimination. And also band 5, near infrared, this is also for vegetation's health and biomass, to discover the biomass. And also we have the band 6, 7, 8 and 9, so you have to understand each band and what is useful for. So to combine them depend on your purpose. If my purpose for I go for geology, for example, so I have to combine the bands that give me detect the minerals or detect the biomass. So depend on your purpose, you have to know how to combine the map. I will leave this document for your reference so you can read it. And also to combine, for example, if we combine band 2, 3, 4, you will have, this is band 2 for blue, this is 3 band green, and 4 this is red color. If we can combine blue, green, red, you will have the true color. This is, imagine how the human eyes see Earth. This is the true color. If we combine 4, 3, 2, this is also true color. But if 5, 4, 3, you will have false color composite. This is false color, not a true color, not representing the Earth. If we combine 7, 6, 4, so this is for geological, for urban, is used for minerals, rock, urban areas. So this is all important with the combine, how to combine them. So let's gonna combine all of them together. That's why I insert them, so to make it so complicated, and then we'll choose one by one. So you have to go for toolbox, and go to the data management tools. From data management we go to the raster. In the raster we go for raster processing. In the raster processing, this is composite band. So for example, I need to composite the first 7 bands. Select all of them. You can select the first one and then click on shift with your computer, and then click all. You will have all of them together. Drag them here, all of them together. I'm gonna combine all from band 1 to 7, and then we can change from properties. We can manipulate between them. You have to set the output raster where you can put the output. For me, in this a new folder, can name it band 1. Save, and then click OK. I'm going to close this one to make it more clear. You have to wait for ArcGIS to complete combine the first map. I guess this one. Yeah, I guess this one, or maybe this one. So we can see we completed the change of this one. I'm gonna do the second one. This one, go for the same, go for composite band. Select the first one and then shift with your keyboard, drag them together, set the output. Again, this is band 2. Save and OK, and wait for the GIS to complete, to composite this band. the second one. I'm gonna do the third one, same. Box, composite band, choose, select one, shift all, then go for output. This is no folder band 3. Okay, okay, close this one. So now we complete all the 3 images for my area. That's gonna remove that. Gonna remove this one. Gonna remove this one. We have the composite. So now we can change the color, manipulate them one by one. Go, for example, let's gonna go for band number 2. Click on it. Go for properties. From properties, you will have in the symbology. You can play with the band. For example, let's gonna keep it this side and this side. So from symbology, we have, again, make it lower. We can do that. We can't. So in the RGB composite, you can change from here. So this is band, for example, this is band 2. We need to change this one to band, this is band 6. This is band 7. Click apply. You will see it can change from properties. You can manipulate with the band, but depend on your purpose. This is not useful, but depend on your purpose. You can change the band. We can go for band 3. Click properties. You can also go for symbology. This is RGB composite. You can composite your band from here. This is, for example, I need band number 1, I need band number 4, and I need band number 7. If you combine this map, you will get this color, and it's useful something. And that's why I will share the documents with you, so you can know if you combined, for example, 764. This is for geology. So 764 is gonna go for this side. For example, properties. I'm gonna combine 7. Okay, this is 6 and this is 4. You will get this color is useful for geology to identify minerals and these things. So this is how to combine multiple bands, and you manipulate with the color. It will have depend on your purpose. If your purpose to identify the minerals, the water, the vegetation, you have to combine depend on your purpose. So within my area now, can I show my exported area? So for example, if I need to cut, we do that in the previous lecture, but it's okay to do it again. If I need to go, for example, special analyst tool, and go for extraction by mask. But the problem with extraction by mask, I have to give him only one band. I cannot give him the 3 band. So I have some areas and I cannot have all the areas in here. But if you have full areas, for example, not band 3, I will choose band 2. Input raster. For the output, this is input raster of or feature mask data. Feature mask data is the same my area. And for the output, you can make them anything. For this is like map 1. Save and OK. We will extract only the problem you'll have just only for this band number 2. So we will have this data as missing. We have this data from here as missing. But if you have complete raster map, you can do that and you can see what we have. So remove this one, remove this one, remove this one. We have removed this one. We have map number 1, zoom to layer. Now we can check. So we just extracted by mask, allow you to put your map within the shapefile that we insert. So now we have the shapefile is what we extracted the. So this is how to combine multiple map and extract by mask in ArcGIS. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.